what you have right now. Like if you're a student, what is entrusted unto you right now is being a student. Are you a good steward of that? Or mag-cutting classes ka? Or dili ka mo eskwela, mag-absent ka? Or maskinting exam, dili ka magtuon? And you expect nga nindot imong life in the future? Nga as a student, you're not being a good steward of it? Wala nimo ang pingi kung unsay gihatag sa imuha? You wasted kung unsay dapat imuha today. As a wife, are you a good steward of the marriage? As a husband, are you a good steward of the marriage? As parents, are you a good steward of your children? Nganong daghan mang mga bata karon nga mga rebelde? Mag-uyab-uyab og sayo, mag-sexually active og sayo, tungod kay nag-fail ang parents. Wala ni barog ang papa, ang mama wala ni barog. Whatever happens to our children, dili nato na pwede mapabirada sa anak ra. Tungod kay responsibilidad na sa parents, stewardship. I have interviewed Doc Edong Permites. And one of the things nga iyang giingon, nganong daghan kay mga batanon karon na pariwara because of the failure of the parents. You cannot blame the children. 18 years old below are called children. Kung maunsa na sila, you cannot blame them. Because growing up, nag-fail ka as parent. So kung prepared ka as a person, tagahaan ka ni Lord, ano nga gift? My challenge for each one of us today is stop being wicked and stop being lazy. Ingnay mong tapad, ayaw na pagtinapulan. Ayaw sige Facebook, o TikTok, o YouTube, o Facebook, no? Okay man na, makatawa ta, siguro 30 minutes, i-break ni mo sa imong mind. And then balik na sad ka, you study again, you work again. Pero ayaw yun ng dako kay kag time mo relax. That's being lazy. Being faithful to your call, igsoon, is something that you work hard. You invest in. Ihatag nimo imong oras, that's investing. Para mo doble kung unsay gi salig ni Lord sa imoa.